Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for History A-Level step by step. First, thoroughly review your exam board's syllabus to understand what content will be assessed. This helps you identify key themes and periods. Next, break down the entire course into smaller, more manageable topics. This approach makes the vast amount of information less daunting and easier to organize. Finally, pinpoint the core historical concepts and major events within each unit to build a strong foundational knowledge. Once you have a clear understanding of the syllabus, focus on creating comprehensive and well-organized notes. Utilize both your textbooks and other credible academic sources to gather information. It's crucial to integrate evidence from both primary and secondary sources into your study, as this strengthens your analytical skills. For memorization, consider using flashcards or digital tools to help recall important dates, names, and specific historical terms efficiently. Now let's talk about mastering the essay. Regular practice with timed essays is essential to develop strong analytical arguments and improve your writing speed. Focus on structuring your essays effectively, ensuring each has a clear introduction, well-developed body paragraphs with supporting evidence, and a concise conclusion. Additionally, spend time analyzing past paper questions. This will help you understand recurring themes, the types of questions asked, and the specific skills examiners are looking for in your responses. For effective revision, incorporate active recall and spaced repetition into your routine. This method significantly boosts long-term memory retention, making sure the information sticks. Forming study groups can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing complex topics with peers often clarifies understanding and exposes you to different perspectives. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll be well prepared for your exams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.